KVM, tattooing needle. Today, I'm going to show you quick configuration, maximum performance, paired with disposable cartridge design. Each box contains 20 pieces, made from ensuring both hygienic safety and meeting the high-frequency usage demands of KVM tattoo needle features a high-capacity ink, transparent light gray casing lap. A single ink refill covers larger. No need for frequent ink top-ups that interrupt your workflow. Smooth, uninterrupted operation ensures consistent line flow, delivering both efficiency and quality.